Hello. Okay, let's build a grinder slash canola garden. I put this sound muffler on there, but I turned the sound down. But these engines get on your nerves. It's electric engine, rotarycraft. You're gonna need a shaft core. Now, I don't know about. I got some glitches in mine. It used to run off a regular shaft core. This one here needed a magnetized. I got one in there now. It's running with a regular. So maybe yours ain't bugged, but mine is. If it is bugged, I don't know if it'll show you how to make it on yours. It showed me how to make the regular shaft, but it didn't show me how to make this one. So if you have to, I guess spawn it or it should work. The other one, but you're gonna need a timer. They're not too hard to make. If you have feed the beast, then all the patterns will be there. Some cookstone and some bridgestone. You're gonna need some flood duct, some item duct. You're gonna need a chest, item collector. You're gonna need some DC engines. It's rotarycraft, thermo expansion, and both pipes thermo expansion. Some levers. All right, well, let's get started. First, we're gonna put in the grinder. Throw some seeds in. And this works pretty good. This works better than the steam engines I have set up inside. You want to come underneath? If I can get underneath there. You want to install your pneumatic servos in there. And you want to hit it down. And quit jumping around, stepping over everything. You want to set that, because I already had there, you want it ignored. And that's going to start filling that up. Let's put the gearboxes in. You're going to need some rotarycrafts and 2.1 gearboxes to go on these DC electric engines. You're going to need three of them. That's what I use, but you can make it big as you want. You want the red facing out. That's come from my tree garden up there, or my steam engine. That's set up in another video, but alright. As you can see, it's gaining lube. Let that run a little bit. Go ahead and put down our dirt. I don't think I need it over there. It's only supposed to be 3 lane. I built this thing all wrong. Yeah, it is. Well, if you want to center out that item collector. I don't think I have an axe on me. It's been a lot quicker. Break, damn it. Where's my item collector go? Disappeared. Well, anyway, that's random things. Should be in the mod pack. They got a vacuum box that you can use. It works alright, but you can go into the settings. Because this thing, I mean, it'll suck everything in 64 blocks around. Then you want to put one of these in there. It won't let you click it unless you're barehanded. Put that on, put it on ignored. And then you want to shift it down. This is going to feed right back into it. Let's go ahead and get stone back down. And I was a little off on that, wasn't I? Oops. And it should run right in there. Oops. Did it again. Alright, and see how this is collecting. See, you can see they're filling up. Then you want to put these on the, whatever you want to run down the side of stone, glass, or whatever you want to use. I use the glass. And what I like to do is you can add a sprinkler system if you want. That item collector, it just collects everything. I use a little tad of fertility. That's good. Seed it up. Gotta remember right there, I need to put the fans on. And you're gonna need 3 fans. Or however you want to put in. Alright, let's get it running. And you want to take your gearboxes. They got 2 speeds. They got like a high and low. If you hold shift and pull down, hit shift and click it. When I mean click it, it'll start up. As you can see, it's got 48 seeds in it. 3 trees. You want to put if you don't use a sprinkler, I'm just going to show you. I'm going to use this right here just to show you. Oop, I forgot a seed over there. My fingers are too big. Alright. Let's hit it. Let's get a few more seeds going here. As you can see, it's picking them up. There you go. And like I said, you don't need no water on it, but you can put water, a sprinkler on it, but it runs fairly well without it. I have a sprinkler on mine in the house. Oops. I just sat down low, and I mean, it runs a lot faster, but as you can see, just from collecting seeds from that, and I've been just getting rid of them and putting them in my inventory, this fills up, and I have 2 of them running. I got one run off a magnetic engine, and one run off some steam engines. I'm going to change it over to what I have outside there, because I think that's a far better system. Because this right here, it's quick, it's easy, it's compact. And it don't take a whole lot of room up. And as you can see, it's still filling, and if you get too much, you can put a barrel right here, or however you want to put it in, a drum, or a tank, or whatever you want to use. But yeah, this is it, and works fairly good. So thanks for watching.